Okay, moment of truth. Find out if this is going to start or blow up in my face. I thought I'd do the first start now, so if it does blow up in my face, at least it'll be funny. Everything seems to be done. I've checked everything. So here we go. Oh, got to immobilize it. Wow, quiet. So quiet. That is what it should sound like. I think the hiccup at the start was just air in the fuel line, to be honest. But alright, well, I'm going to let it run for a little bit and then I'm going to take it for a spin. Thanks, guys.